feeding the people at the same time and giving us a job, putting it in the dirt.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But instead, they get some people that ain't even from the community, don't spend no time in the community.
That's what I'm talking about. Spit on
putting
that.
in the trees, you know what I mean? While we got twice the unemployment of the rest of the city.
The highest unemployment.
The highest unemployment.
The highest unemployment rate. So what neighborhoods coming over here and taking all the jobs?
I feel like they need to get that shit shut down. Period, point blank. No ifs, ands, or buts about the shit. And if you ain't standing up, you taking it with no Vaseline or you selling out. One or the other.
Because in this part of town, you need to have a transfer or you will be harassed and thrown off the T-train. And that's real talk. And I'm Kilo G, your host, live from the streets. The street reporter out here reporting on inequality and injustice in the Bayview Hunters Point. Sit down. Sit down.
Tickets. Is that one? Yeah, it's Sam. Thank you.
I love it.
Sorry?
Oh, let's go. Okay, over here. Get it on camera. Get it on camera. You see it? Hey, man, they giving tickets out, man.
They giving out tickets.
Hey, go get the motherfucking killers, man. Go get them killers. Catch them killers out here.
Catch them killers. They can't. They scared.
It'd be hard when you one of them.
They one of the killers, I know. But black people love doing their dirty work for them.
Okay, what else want?
Come on.
Can you have some gum?
Oh. Yeah, I guess so. Say thank you. Thank you. Put it in your hand. Hold it. Look, she even looked like a terrorist. This is all on the Muni. This is all the shit. They holding up Muni. We can't even get on time nowhere because they holding up Muni. They holding up Muni.
And then she tells me, not to buy transport.
Can I get to work on time? No, I'm saying how they holding up the bus. I know. They holding up Muni. They holding up Muni. People got to get to work. People got to get to work.
$100. More than the bus fare.
More than the bus fare. Excuse me. $100 ticket. $2 bus fare. $100 ticket. You like that, huh, bro?
That's how I feel about it. Fuck the police.
Yeah. That's cold. From a $2 ticket to a $100 ticket. That's pimping. I wish I could pimp like that. That's like being at the toll gate and making people pay to come to San Francisco. See you, Signal.